ecoFinish over plaster that overlays ICF block. We've had many problems with a plaster finish over ICF block pool construction. It's been applied 3 times and has developed major cracks and pool drainage in the last 2 years. Our pool contractor has suggested ecoFinish. He said it was fine to apply over plaster. I'm concerned because the base is ICF block with plaster over it. What do you think? Worried that heat from the application of the product could transmit through the plaster to the underlying block.
I can tell you right up front, it's not going to work. I think the biggest issue there is if you're having problem with the plaster, you're still putting ecoFinish over it. The plaster is going to crack. The ecoFinish is going to follow. That crack's going to follow right through. There is some other products out there. There's a product count that we've just started playing with a little bit for steps and things, for vinyl liner steps and fiberglass over fiberglass. It's called Rebound. That's something that could possibly be used. The difference with that is it's a little more of a rubber base and it has some give and some movement. The ecoFinish is not going to give you enough structural movement that if anything's moving at all, it's going to crack right along with the plaster itself. So, and you're concerned about the heat. Yeah, the heat would probably cause additional challenges. So I would not recommend it, and I would look at other things like Rebound.